Welcome to Biz AIO. In this video, from the left hand side menu, go to ERP, then click on Purchase and select Purchase Order. Select a time range using the start and end dates. You can view orders by bill status or use the search bar to find a specific order. To create a new purchase order, click on the Add Order button. Now, enter the required details for the purchase order. Select the vendor, currency, exchange rate, order date, expected delivery date, delivery address, and products. You can add a message or note for the vendor, such as, "Thank you for your business," and also include any terms and conditions for the order. If you have any documents to attach, click Add File to upload. Finally, click Save to confirm the order or save as draft to edit later. Once saved, your new purchase order will appear in the list. You can now track its delivery and billing status easily. From here, you can view, download, generate a PDF, mark as sent, or convert to a bill. You can export the data from here as well. And that's how you create a purchase order in Biz AIO. To begin, go to the sidebar menu, click on Settings, then use the search bar to select Purchase Settings. Here, select Purchase Settings from the top row to access and manage your purchase configuration options. For purchase, use PO, for bill, use BL, and for vendor credit, use VC as prefixes respectively, with hash as the separator and 3-digit numbering. Example, PO #001, BL #001, VC #001. Enter relevant terms and conditions at the bottom, then click Save to apply the settings. Next, switch to the Purchase Notification Settings tab. Here, you can enable email alerts for various actions like new purchase orders, new purchase bills, vendor payments, vendor credit, purchase inventory updates. Click Save once you've selected your preferred notifications. And that's it. You've successfully configured your purchase settings and email notifications. To get started, go to the Settings menu from the left sidebar. Then select Payment Credentials. Check the PayPal status box to enable the gateway. Select the environment, Live or Sandbox, then enter your Sandbox PayPal client ID and secret. Copy the webhook URL and add it to your PayPal app's webhook settings. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Here, you can choose other payment methods like Stripe, Paystack, Square, Payfast, offline payment, and more. To add an offline method, click Add Offline Method at the top of the screen, enter the details, and click Save to apply. From the Action button, you can edit or delete payment methods. That's it. Your payment credential settings are now configured and ready to use on your platform. To get started, click on Settings from the sidebar. Now scroll down and select Finance Settings from the list. Under the Finance Settings panel, the first tab is Invoice Settings. Here you can upload your company's invoice logo and authorize signatory. Specify how many days after the invoice date it's due, and set reminders accordingly. Enable or disable invoice details like tax number, status, and additional client information like email, phone number, and address. Once done, click Save to save the details. Next is the Invoice Template tab. Customize the layout and format of your invoice template here to match your branding. Once done, click Save to save the template. In the Prefix Settings tab, define unique prefixes for your invoices, estimates, or other financial documents. Set the prefix, separator hash, and digit count to see a sample on the right. Repeat for all, then click Save to apply. To add a unit, click the Unit tab at the top, then click Add Unit. Enter the unit type and click Save to save it. From Action button you can edit the unit. If you're using QuickBooks, go to QuickBooks Settings. It supports one-way sync. Invoices or payments created here will also be created in QuickBooks. Click Status, select the environment, enter your client ID and client secret, or copy the QuickBooks URL. Click Save to apply the changes. Under Tax Numbers, enter the tax type, label, and value. You can add multiple tax number tabs. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. In the form, enter the payment method name, bank account details, and then add a label and value. You can add multiple labels and values as needed to capture all necessary payment details. Once all required information is entered, click the Save button to store the payment method successfully. You can edit or delete any payment method by clicking the Edit or Delete icons next to the respective entry. To access tax settings, go to Settings from the sidebar and select Tax Settings. Click Add Tax to create a new tax. Enter the tax name, AG, service tax, and the rate as a percentage. Click Save when done. Use the Action button to edit or delete asset types. That's how easily you can manage tax settings in BizAIO.